You are about to complete a listening assessment. The purpose of this exercise is to demonstrate your ability to listen to a passage and then write about it from memory. Please listen very closely when the passage is read. You will not be able to refer back to it once it is read. You will explain what the passage is about in writing based on your memory of it. Do not panic if you are unable to remember certain details once you begin writing. Simply do your best and use the information that you do remember. Again, step 1, you will listen to a short passage. Step 2, you will write about the passage using the instructions you will be given. Let's proceed. It is now time for step 1, the listening portion. Listen very closely as I read this short passage. The passage is entitled, "The Wolf Within." We love dogs, all types of dogs, small dogs, big dogs, yappy dogs, lap dogs. Each year, we spend billions of dollars on our canine pals, making sure our lovable mutts have enough to eat and lots of toys to play with. For their part, dogs love us. They lick our faces, protect our homes, and come when we call them, sometimes. But where did our favorite four-legged companions come from? How and when did dogs get to be our best friends? Some scientists believe they have found some of the answers. Scientists have long known that dogs evolved from wolves. Just when the transformation from wolf to dog actually took place, however, remained a mystery. Some said dogs evolved as a separate species 135,000 years ago in two parts of the world. One group of dogs developed in Europe and Asia from Asian wolves. Another group evolved in North, Central, and South America from American wolves. Now, researchers say, those theories are wrong. New studies suggest that domesticated or tamed dogs first appeared 15,000 years ago in Eastern Asia. They also say that every modern dog, from the Taco Bell Chihuahua to Frank, the adorable pug in the movie Men in Black 2, descended from approximately 5 female Asian wolves, the mothers of all modern dogs. How did scientists come to these conclusions? Scientist Jennifer Leonard and a team of researchers began investigating the origins of dogs by collecting the bones of canines that once lived in North, Central, and South America before Christopher Columbus arrived in 1492. Researchers then extracted a bit of DNA from the cells in those bones. DNA is the substance that makes up the genes of living things. Genes determine a dog's inherited characteristics, such as eye and fur color. The scientists then compared the DNA samples to the DNA of modern dogs and wolves not only in North and South America, but also in Europe and Asia. Scientists found that the genes of the ancient American dogs were similar to the genes of dogs born in Europe and Asia. Scientists also concluded that every breed of dog, from English setters to Labrador retrievers, descended from wolves that lived in Europe and Asia and migrated to North and South America. It is now time for the second and final step of this listening assessment, the writing portion. Think about the passage that you have just heard. Using your own words, explain what this passage is mostly about. Be sure to use plenty of details to thoroughly explain your response. As you are writing, create 3 grammatically correct sentences to explain your answer. Use both simple and compound sentences as you explain your answer. You may begin.